Peter Andre has shown fans include his sprawling mansion, with the Surrey mansion looking spotlessly clean. The singer, 47, called in Celebland's favorite cleaning company and showed off the results of his gleaming carpets on Instagram. He revealed footage of the house after the upholstery been given a going over by hyper cleaning. The firm has recently cleaned carpets for Joey Essex, Gemma and Kris Boyson, his ex-wife Katie Price's former boyfriend. Peter posted footage of the pad, including the sweeping Titanic-style entrée staircase on Instagram. Showing off how clean it is, he published it to the strains of Fresh by Cool and the gang. He tagged in the cleaning company and wrote, "Thanks guys. Looking amazing as always." It's not the first time Peter, who once had his own YouTube reality show, has shown fans inside the mega mansion. "We have already seen his and wife Emily's separate bathrooms, his children's walk-in wardrobes, their stunning cinema and playroom. The spacious house, which is heaving with glam celebrity memorabilia including gold discs from his music career, has 5 bedrooms,